You're going to be barefoot and pregnant by the age of 20. You see, when I was a senior in high school, that's what my coaches, my family, my friends, the community shared with me. You're going to be barefoot and pregnant by the age of 20. And in the time when they said it, I know what they meant, and I know the intentions that they meant behind it. It was their way of waking me up and trying to get my attention and saying, hey, look, you got a lot of potential, and the choices you're making and the people that you're choosing, you are just pissing that potential away. But you see, when you're young, something interesting happens in your brain. When strong words come from those people that are in leadership and authority and are mentoring you, your brain doesn't always hear it as a comment passing by. Your brain releases a stress hormone, which then locks the memory in place. And that sentence can live with you for decades. Words shape how we see ourselves in today. So let's fast forward to today. I own a business. I traveled the world with my best friend and soulmate, and I've chosen to not have children. I've chosen a life full of joy, of adventure, the one that I wanted to live. So during Women's History Month, I think it's something very important. Young people are always listening. They're always tuned in. Your words are important, and what you share and how you lead is equally as important. And here's the funny little truth that I have learned over time. No matter what somebody predicts or speaks over your life, you ultimately have the final say and do of how your life turns out. What do you mean, Tara? Let's ask the flower. Your path doesn't have to lead or follow the same societal beliefs, standards, or even the old definitions of what a woman's life is supposed to look like based on their observations and opinions. So yeah, maybe they were right. Maybe those coaches did have a point to be made and an impact to be had. Maybe I wasn't doing and spending my time with the right people and places. But what they don't realize is that I had to take that leap in order to get to where I am today. So that is why I say, don't fall suit of what others speak over your life. Because if I did and I listened, I wouldn't be where I am today. It's taken a tough journey and a tough road to get there. I've had to learn life lessons. I've had to let people go in my life in order to live the life that I wanted to live, that worked for me. Because the last time I checked, like my father said, if they don't sleep in your bed and they ain't paying your bills, well, you know what? Their opinion doesn't matter of you. And I think I'm doing pretty darn good. So this Women's History Month, just remember all the women that walked before you to blaze that trail so that you had the ability to blaze your own. Thank all those, be grateful for all the women that have come before you, and support and love the other women around us, because we are all on a journey. And really, at the end of the day, support and love all humans, because we are all on a journey. So with that said, toodles! Say bye-bye now, flower.
I want to invite you to my new podcast, The Buttons Up Impact, a podcast focused on cancer awareness, education, and helping people stay informed about their health. One of the cancers we'll talk about often is ovarian cancer, because awareness and early detection can truly save lives. But we'll also explore other cancers, sharing information that helps people recognize warning signs and encourages them to talk with their doctors sooner. Because awareness matters. And if you believe in this mission, we invite you to support Buttons Up and help us continue spreading awareness and making an impact. Remember, cancer awareness is every day. Stay aware, stay proactive, and remember, buttons up and fight back. Go to buttonsup.io.
Still running your business on sticky notes? Still serving PTA flyer vibes with free word templates? Still stuck in that comfy little 2013 tech bubble for your business? AI called. It saw your workflow systems and it cried. Guess what? Your brand's in therapy now. Yeah, that comfort zone might be costing you more than you think. The Hello LLC welcomes you to go from chaos to clarity. We've been talking AI since before it was trendy. But now we're showing you how to actually use it. Real business use cases, automation hacks, and AI strategies that scale your brand now and set you up for the future. This is the AI Edge, powered by the Hello LLC. Streaming live every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time from the Hello Plaza, our Metaverse HQ. Yep, join the Metaverse from your phone, laptop, iPad, even grandma's VR headset if she'll let you use them. Or if you're still holding on, catch us on the crusty, dusty 2D social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, and X. Either way, press the button, and let's upgrade. From chaos to clarity, let's work smarter, not harder. Buckle up, buttercups, and let's explore the AI Edge.
You're listening to the AI Edge, the show that makes AI simple, easy, and practical. From chaos to clarity, AI made easy. Let's cut the chaos. Welcome back to the AI Edge. I'm David.
And I'm Tara. So, David, I saw a post the other day that made me laugh, but not in a good way. It was an ad for a local business, and I swear I could just feel the ChatGPT. You know that feeling? It was so bland, so generic, it had zero personality.
Oh, I know exactly what you mean. It has this weirdly formal, overly perfect tone. It's like it's swallowed a thesaurus and is trying to use all the big words. Like, into.
Hey everybody, how's everybody doing today? Hopefully everybody is doing well and amazing. And you don't know, this is the AI Edge. We're going to be talking about some of the amazing things that is going on with utilizing ChatGPT, and more importantly, how you can be able to implement it into your own business and really be able to successfully see how this AI works for you. A lot of the times we're utilizing ChatGPT in a manner that really is not working for us because we're not prompting it the right way. Communication is so key, and that is what we're learning now more than ever, utilizing this actually learning language model, is that we are having to communicate a hell of a lot more, better, should I say, than we have been in the past, because you've been getting the wrong information, you've been getting dashes, you've been getting this, you've been getting that, you've been getting all of those things as we move forward. What? Gotcha. Yes, so make sure you guys are definitely understanding how this all works, and really being able to implement Chat GPT, and not just Chat GPT. Look, a lot of the times people just talk about Chat GPT, and there's more than Chat GPT. Let's just make sure we're crystal clear. There is Claude, there is DeepSeek, there is Chat GPT. There's other forms that you can use as well. And look, each one are great for different actual tasks. I'll tell you guys this right now. ChatGPT is better at actually editing and some of the other things, but not as far as instructions and things of that sort. But we're going to get back to the podcast. Here we go.
So many small business owners are falling into. They're using AI to save time, which is the whole point. It's an amazing tool. But they're taking the first thing the AI spits out, and in the process, they lose their own voice and end up sounding like, well, like every other business using this same tool.
A sea of sameness. It's the opposite of what marketing should be, which is standing out. And that's why today we're talking about how to stop sounding like everyone else using AI. We've got 5 dead simple tweaks you can make to your prompts to get results that actually sound like you. And stay tuned because later we'll be adding a brand new 6 tip to our list that will change the way you brainstorm forever.
And these are so easy, we promise. This isn't for developers or programmers. We're not getting technical. This is for the non-techie beginner who just wants their content to have a little more sparkle, a little more them. It's about making the technology work for you, not the other way around.
Okay, so let's dive into the first one. This is maybe the most important, the foundation for everything else. It's humanize it.
Yes, the robot voice. You gotta kill the robot voice. Your customers want to connect with a person, not a machine.
Welcome to the
That's how you build trust.
Kill the robot voice. Exactly. So instead of just saying, write me an email about our new service, you add a simple phrase. We even have a little shortcut for it that we teach our clients. Just add the instruction /human.
Right. And the full prompt for that, if you want to type it out, is something like rewrite this in a more natural conversational tone with personality. The key is to add descriptive words. You can even add words like warm, witty, energetic, or professional but friendly. The more specific you are, the better the result.
That little addition completely changes the output. Let's do a quick before and after. Tara, give me the robot version of a marketing email.
Okay, here's the generic AI email. Hello, valued customer. We are writing to inform you of the launch of our new premium consulting service. This service is designed to optimize your workflow. Awful, right?
Painful. Okay, now what happens when we add the prompt, rewrite this in a warm, friendly, and exciting tone? Give me the human version.
Yes, the wall of text. So tip number 2 is shorten responses. Our quick code for this is DLRI.
You got it.
The human version sounds more like this. Hey there, are you ready for something that's going to make your work life so much easier? We've been working on a new consulting service behind the scenes, and we're so excited to finally share it with you. See the difference? It's about connection.
Doesn't look like I'm reading.
Exactly. We're all busy. No one is reading your novel-length email. So you just tell the AI, keep this short and concise. Or even better, be specific. Respond in 3 sentences or under 100 words.
That specificity is key. It forces the AI to get straight to the point, which brings us to number 3, simplify ideas. This is a lifesaver.
My favorite, ELI5.
Or if you need it a little more sophisticated, ELI 10. Explain like I'm 10.
Right. If you're, I don't know, a financial advisor or a software company, and you need to explain a really complex idea, this is magic. You just paste in your technical jargon and say ELI5.
And it turns it into a simple analogy that anyone can understand. It's perfect for website copy, for social media, anywhere you need to grab attention quickly without confusing people.
Totally. Okay, so we've made it human, we've made it short, we've made it simple, but it's still like a big block of text.
Which leads to number 4, listify. Or, just say, turn this into bullet points.
Yes, people don't read online, they skim. Bullet points, numbered lists, they break up the text and make it so much easier to digest. Your engagement will go up, I promise.
We see this all the time. We help a lot of small business owners solve this exact problem at the Hello LLC. They have these brilliant, valuable ideas, but the AI gives it to them in this dense paragraph that nobody's going to read.
And just adding Listify makes it instantly more usable. Okay, so these first 4 tips are about controlling the output, making it sound better.
Yeah, so as you can see, here we go.
You're trying to write property descriptions. After the 20th one that month, they all start to sound the same. Charming 3 bedrooms, stunning curb appeal. You're exhausted and your listings sound generic.
We hear this from so many clients. The creative drain is real. So our 5th and final tip is train AI on your voice.
And it's not as complicated as it sounds. All you do is find examples of your own writing, stuff you're really proud of. Maybe it's a few past property descriptions you loved, a blog post you wrote, even a few emails to clients where your personality really shone through.
You copy and paste all of that text into the chat window. It can be a lot of text, that's okay. And then you give it this simple prompt.
You say, analyze this and create a reusable voice profile.
That's it. The AI will then read everything you gave it and basically create a style guide. It'll say something like, okay, your voice is warm, uses short sentences, incorporates humor, and often mentions local coffee shops.
It's amazing how it picks up on your little quirks. So now a real estate agent, instead of starting from scratch, can just say, using my voice profile, write a 3-paragraph property description for 123 Main Street, highlighting the new kitchen and big backyard.
And the description that comes out won't sound like generic ChatGPT. It'll sound like her. It'll have her unique flavor. That saves an incredible amount of time and mental energy.
That right there is how you go from chaos to clarity. It's not about just getting AI to write for you. It's about getting it to write for you as you.
Yeah, and look, if that process of gathering your content and building the profile sounds like a lot, that's what we do. We help businesses design, build, and implement this at the Hello LLC if you need support. But honestly, you can do this yourself in an afternoon.
Totally. So let's do a quick recap. The 5 simple tweaks.
1, humanize it. Kill the robot voice. 2, shorten responses. Respect people's time. 3, simplify ideas. Explain it like I'm 5.
4, listify. Make it skimmable with bullet points. And the big one, number 5, train the AI on your unique voice.
Do those 5 things and your content will immediately stand out from the generic AI noise. You'll save time, fight that burnout, and
Most small businesses don't fail because of effort. They fail because everything is manual. In 2026, I want you to consider that AI is the new hustle. At the Hello LLC, we help forward-thinking entrepreneurs and businesses with 3 to 25 employees replace chaos with systems implementing AI and automation. We design the foundations your business needs to scale for now and in the future. AI-powered workflows, automation, modern websites, and personalized Web3 Metaverse experiences that actually work together. No more chasing leads, no more broken follow-ups, no more teams drowning in busy work, just smart systems that run your business so your people don't have to. This isn't about working harder, it's about building better with AI, Web3, and FinTech. The future is already here. Welcome to the Hello LLC, where small teams scale with structure, not stress. Visit thehellollc.io.
Wake that ass up, Lucky Charm. Change does not require time. Change just requires a choice to do an action, to be consistent at change, and making sure you just stick to that. Because without change, it's just patterns. And most of the time, people think change is something that has to take this overall time to continue this learned pattern, trauma and drama, and learned behavior that they refuse to let go due to the fact of pride, ego, whatever it may be. Change is up to you and no one else. Look here, what are you grateful for today? I want you to understand that you are living in the greatest times right now to start your business, start a side hustle, start any adventure, because there's this thing called AI, Web3, this new financial switch that's happening, and there's no greater time than to start now. And guess what? There's also no greater time than to have a whole bunch of excuses not to press the button, not to take action, to get distracted by everything else that's going on, and not to worry about anything else to help you get better in your future and your family's future, and more importantly, your energy and your vibration. Because if you aren't paying attention, shit is changing. And you got to change too. Nothing changes if you don't change. And so make sure that you are staying on the positive side and not worried about all this negative stuff. Because you worrying about the negative stuff will get you negative results. As my mama used to say, you look for negative, you get negative. So stay positive, my friends. Retool, restructure, relearn, and really be able to adapt to everything that's going on from AI, from fintech. And I encourage you guys to come and join us at the Hello LLC, which stands for Helping Entrepreneurs Leverage Leading Edge Optimizations. Join the group and come be a part of something that we want more for you than from you at the end of the day. You know the drill. Toodles.
Let's be real. Most entrepreneurs don't need another course. They need a team that actually gets it done. The Hello Pivot isn't theory, it's action.
It's like hiring us to build your systems, automate your chaos, and turn your burnout into a business that runs itself. You're not stuck, your systems are. Working harder on broken systems isn't discipline, it's denial.
Make the pivot today and let us be your next hire. Visit thehellollc.io today.
This isn't just apparel, it's a movement. Introducing the Buttons Up Sports Collection, where style meets strength and comfort meets confidence. From the court to the streets, every piece is made to move with you, not against you.
Bold, breathable, and built for performance. This is more than sportswear. It's a statement. Unbutton the ordinary. Unleash the athlete. Shop the new collection today at buttonsup.io and wear what moves you.
Imagine your business not just surviving, but thriving. Your wealth locked in, your opportunities exploding, and your family's future built on a legacy that never fades. I'm Leah Garcia, a financial strategist and insurance professional. I help entrepreneurs and high-growth enterprises protect, distribute, and transfer their wealth through my proven system, the Wall of Wealth. I unite your experts into one cohesive strategy because the most expensive line on your balance sheet isn't debt or taxes, it's conflicting advice. Ready to align every dollar with your mission and turn today's success into tomorrow's divine promise. Wealth today, dynasty tomorrow.
Hey family, it's Cleo, and if you've been feeling stuck, you are not alone. This is your reminder, freedom starts inside. That's what Set Yourself Free is all about. Breaking mental chains, rebuilding confidence, and learning how to walk in your purpose with joy and power. Go listen to the Set Yourself Free podcast at setyourselffree.io now, because your purpose is too powerful to stay stuck. It's time to set yourself free and get unstuck.
Sick of wasting time? Exhausted from managing chaos instead of running your business? Do you feel like your business is running you instead? Say goodbye to the chaos and say hello to a smart link that saves you time. Introducing the Biz in a Box.
With the Biz in a Box, you're not just implementing AI and upgrading your website. You are actually unlocking an all-in-one smart link that revolutionizes your foundation and systems while showcasing, marketing, and managing your business. Say goodbye to juggling endless tools, chaos, and outdated business cards. With our One App, One Tap system, clients can access your products, services, and resources instantly via your link and QR code.
Just imagine everything your audience needs, beautifully and strategically presented in one seamless hub, designed to save you time, streamline your workflows, keep your audience engaged, and making your life easier. This is the future of business, built for forward-thinking entrepreneurs that are serious about growth and creating a solid foundation with systems that work today and pivot you into the future as Web3 approaches.
Stop living in the past. End the chaos and be the boss. Step into the future with the Biz in a Box. The future is already here.